So I'm here at the Thermaltake booth at CES 2019, and this is their level 20 case. It's a full tower, just balls to the walls case meant for custom cooling. This isn't new. I mean, we've seen this before. What is cool this year are some of these cases that are based off of the level 20. So this one is the level 20 VT. So it's a small micro ATX form factor, cube-shaped PC. So it's a smaller form factor. The standouts here are the flat motherboard tray, but that can be moved around, I've been told. The front has a 200mm fan, and then one of the panels is actually raised out a bit for better airflow. So wherever you choose to put a radiator or whatever, you can actually kind of push out the side panel a little bit, and you can choose either one of these three panels. So this is the level 20 XT. So it's similar to the VT that we just saw, but bigger. So full ATX, you've got multiple different options for radiator placement. It's just generally bigger, but still the same kind of design as the VT there. And this one is level 20 MT. So it's, again, kind of similar design aesthetic as the level 20 series, but in a more standardized form factor. So you've got your regular motherboard mount, radiator placement, you can actually put it on the top, front, or the side there, I've been told. But generally, it's just a standard size mid-tower with all your standard layout, but with the level 20 aesthetic. So over here we have some RGB fans. So we have the Ring Duos and the Ring Trios. So the difference is the Ring Duos have two kind of RGB zones, the inside hub and then the outside ring. But then the Trios have that inside hub, the outside ring, and then have another outside ring on the other side. So if you have your fan, say, mounted on a radiator, you can have one color on the side of your fan and another color in the front. So these are really cool. They come in 120, 140, and 200mm options, but the 200mm are just working prototypes for now. No official word on MSRP availability, any of that yet. They're compatible with pretty much every major RGB controller, Mystic Light, or Sync, etc., including Thermaltake's own controller as well. So this is interesting. This is a gaming desk that Thermaltake's making, so it's their first ever gaming desk. It's supposed to retail for about $1,000-ish, I'm told. It has grommets for cable management. It's height adjustable with a motor right here. So it comes with this full table mouse mat and also this RGB rim all around the entire desk. So for those of you who don't want to spend that much on a desk, they have this version. So it is still height adjustable, but it's manual. So the legs, you kind of like pop them off, or you like press a button and then you can lift it manually. It's not electronic. It doesn't have the RGB ring, but it still comes with a mouse mat and the grommets for cable management. So now the star of the show is this Watercooled RAM. So this is actually Thermaltake's first foray into the memory business. So they have these sticks right here. They won't be selling these independently quite yet. For now, they'll just come as a kit. They have 16 gig kits and 32 gig kits that they'll have available for, I think it was like $200 and $400 respectively. But the main standout here is that it comes with this water block. So the heat spreader is specifically designed to conduct heat all the way up from the one side where all the dies are up to the top. And then so this water block is actually screwed down very tight to make good contact to transfer all the heat into, well, the water block that you can tie into your water cooling loop. It also features RGB because, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my coverage of CES so far. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the updates, and follow me on Twitter @SolidStateTweet to get first updates on absolutely everything. If you have something you'd like to say, any comments, thoughts, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys very soon.